Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Shazan Rizwan. Today we are going to simulate binary adder and subtractor. So here is the half adder. It consists of a XOR gate and an AND gate, two LEDs, and that's the input. So we will check the input. Uh, First of all, we will stimulate it. Now we will check the input. So when both the inputs are 0, then the sum is 0 and carry is also 0, as we can see. When B is 1, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. When B is 0 and A is 1, then sum is again 1 and carry is 0, as we can see in the circuit. When both the inputs are 1, then the carry is 1 and the sum is 1. So we check that our circuit is working perfectly fine. Now here is the circuit of full adder. It consists of two AND gate, two XOR gate and one OR gate. Now we will check its input. It has three inputs, A, B and carry in, and two output, sum and carry out, C out. So when all the inputs are 0, the output is 0. When carry is 1, then the sum is 1. When B is 1, then again sum is 1. When B in and carry in is 1, then carry out is 1. When A is 1 and other two inputs are 0, then the sum is 1. When A is 1 and carry in is 1, then carry out is 1. When A and B is 1, then again carry out is 1. When all the inputs are 1, then both output, sum and carry out is 1. Now we will see the circuit of half subtractor. It consists of one NOT gate, one XOR gate, one AND gate. When both of the inputs are 0, then the output is 0. When Y is 1, then both D and B is 1. When X is 1, then D is 1. When both the inputs are 1, then both the outputs D and B is 0, are 0. Now we will move to the full subtractor. Full subtractor consists of two NOT gates, two XOR gates, two AND gates and one OR gate, two LEDs, a ground and the inputs. When all of the inputs are 0, then both of the outputs D and B are 0. When Z is 1, then D is 1 and B is also 1. When Y is 1, then again both of the LEDs D and B are 1. When Y is 1 and Z is 1, then B is 1 and D is 0. When X is 1 and Z and Y are 0, then D is 1. When X and Z are 1, then both of the LEDs does not glow, so the output is 0. When X and Y are 1 and Z is 0, then again D and B are 0. When all of the inputs are 1, then the outputs are 1, D and B. So we check that all of our circuits are working perfectly fine and match the truth table. So Allah Hafiz.